Speaking English is not as difficult as we think. The biggest problem is not knowledge, but lack of confidence. If you want to speak English fluently, start with small steps. First, try to think in English instead of translating from Hindi. Use simple sentences in your daily life like I am going to market or I am feeling happy today. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. It will improve your confidence. Listen to English videos, songs, and conversation confidently. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes are a part of learning. Speak as much as possible, even if it is not perfect. Slowly, your fluency will improve. Remember, consistency is the key. If you practice every day, you will definitely become a good English speaker.